Yeah, so we've got two new models of fairway mowers this year, the 6700A E-Cut and the 7700A E-Cut Hybrid. So what they are QA7 reels that we now have electric motors for on all of our QA7 fairway mowers. So what that does is it eliminates 150 hydraulic leak points in the system and also reduces hydraulic leaks by up to 90%. So no additional onboard batteries. We still have the engine on the machine. A 240 amp, 56 volt alternator supplies the power down to the reel circuit. You're able to reduce the throttle of the machine when you're operating, and that'll save you up to 30% in fuel and also 3 decibels in sound levels. As you know, electrification is a big change and a big challenge over the years. We've actually been very experienced over the years, starting in 2005 with the 2500E triplex mower. What's different with this machine is when you buy a 67 or a 7700A model with QA7s, you expect to be able to verticut and scalp. They're popular machines in the southern U.S. and southwestern U.S. You would scalp to overseed, you would verticut to eliminate thatch, so it's a higher load case. So what that has done is triggered new development in the motor technology to handle those rigorous applications. And so that's what you have with these machines. They will be able to verticut and scalp on top of your normal mowing conditions. We've had the QA5s electrified for since 2005, and then again like in 2009 on the fairway mower side. It's been a long time coming on the QA7 to meet those southern grasses, and for those even in Europe that don't mow as often, that are cutting off more grass and need the larger reels, they're really excited to see this now. So now we have 2 new walk behind greens mowers this year at the show, the 185 and 225 E-Cut electric walk greens mowers. This is our first venture into full electrification in the golf side. So we've had hybrids in the past with an engine, electric reel motor. Now we've gone and done full electrification. So this is going to be a battery powered machine. It's going to be a 58 volt, 3.56 kilowatt hour battery. It's lithium ion. It's going to mow about 50,000 square feet on a single charge, which is very good in the industry to have that much capability. The average green in the U.S. is about 6,500 square feet. So for most golf courses, you're talking that 7 to 8 green range that you're going to get with productivity. So you're going to have the battery that's going to send power to 2 controllers, one for a reel and one for traction, and then a motor for the reel and the traction. It's extremely quiet. So there's no emissions, really no sound coming out, especially if you set your reel to bed knife clearance properly. You barely hear the machine mow. It's super, super quiet, so you can get out early in the morning. But also on these machines, we have brand new handlebars as well. We can do a fore and aft adjustment as well as a tool-free up and down adjustment, and it makes the machine extremely comfortable. So very quiet and probably the most comfortable walkers we've ever had. We've been working on electrification for a long time. This is the next step in that evolution. Our customers have been asking for this for a long time. It's been a long time in development. It's a great day to see it come to reality.